We're at 6,500 feet right now. It is about 95 degrees, going to be pushing 100 degrees on the ground today. And up here it's about 74 degrees, so it's pretty comfortable. With this side out, there's only one place to be, and that would be in the water. So we are headed out towards Lake Michigan. We are going to be going to South Haven and then zipping over to the beach about 2 miles from the airport on our, got the one-wheel longboard back there. And we should be good to go for a nice little fly-in beach day, and then headed back to Ann Arbor this evening. South Haven traffic time 205 Delta Sierra, 5 to the east, going to be entering left 823. South Haven traffic time 205 Delta Sierra, short final 23. South Haven.
I want her that teddy bear. She's got me saying sugar pie, honey, darling, and dear. I ain't seen the Braves play a game all year. I'm gonna get.
Alright, made it over to South Haven Airport, so now we got 2 miles over to the beach. Nice and hot down on the ground again.
But I like it, I love it, I want some more of it. I try so hard, I can't rise above it. Don't know what it is about that little gal's loving, but I like it, I love it, I want some more.
Out here on the path at Van Buren State Park, Ben is putting the longboard and one wheel in a little hidey hole with a bike lock. And I'm gonna get a head start since I walk slow.
Now I'm holding umbrellas and opening up doors.
Well, this is looking more like the beach now. You see some water through the trees here. What a nice day at the beach. Woohoo! This is gonna be fun to climb up later.
It's 'cause I like it, I love it, I want some more of it. I try so hard, I can't rise above it. Don't know what it is about that little gal's loving, but I like it, I love it, I want some more of it.
Super nice day here at Van Buren State Park in South Haven, Michigan. And we're on a beach right on these dunes here. And it is just a super nice day to be in the water. It's being 100 degrees out and the water is pretty warm as well. And way down there is Palisades nuclear power plants.
I try so hard, I can't rise above it. Don't know what it is about that little gal's loving, but I like it, I love it, I want some more of it. Come on, baby, you know what I like.
We're on the big climb back up the dunes here. What a beautiful day on the lake though. Woo! Alright. Pretty good views on this hiking walk here though. Nice shady walk on the sand through the forest. Well, we were just going down this road back from the state park, and just a quarter mile down from the state park entrance here there was this general store with a ice cream little trailer attached to it, so when it's 95 out, might as well stop for some ice cream.
You know what I like. Yeah, I like that.
This guy just got back from Willow Run in the Thunder Over Michigan Air Show with this Douglas A2 Sky Raider here. That's pretty cool.
We had a very fun time at the beach, and now we're just about to head back to Ann Arbor. Should be a shorter flight back, only about 40 minutes in the air back to Ann Arbor. A little better than 2.5 hour drive, although we'll probably add a couple minutes on for a little beach flyover. South Haven traffic time 205 Delta Sierra, departing runway 23, going to be right turn over the lake north.
When I was a kid, I used to stare out the car window and pretend that I was flying.
South Haven traffic time 205 Delta Sierra, upwind 23, making a right turn north on the lake. South Haven. What a nice day down at the beach. You can see right where we are, kind of right where those two boats are down there.
It looks nice. A lot of boats.
About halfway back now. We got 61 miles to go. Should be back in about 25 minutes. We're doing about 165 miles an hour.
8.4.
Just super nice scenery on the way back with the clouds and everything.